Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. I recently picked up a 2005 Honda Civic. Now there's three reasons on why I wanted to get a Honda. One, they are extremely reliable. A single engine can go up to 300,000 miles if taken care right. Before I had this YouTube channel and before I had my Subi, my uncle basically gave me a 1999 5-speed Honda Civic. Now I never got the title transfer over to my name, but I did drove around the car like it was mine. That car had 255,000 miles. Fortunately, your boy blew the engine launching it from first to second gear, but I learned my lesson. Now this car is at 171,000 miles, but it is basically only halfway through its life. And believe it or not, I already went to the junkyard and found out how much an engine would cost, and it's like $600. Now keep in mind, this is a pick your part junkyard, but if for some reason this thing ever blows, there's plenty other Hondas in the junkyard with the exact same engine. Now the second reason why I wanted a Honda was they are known for their really good fuel economy. Now I have 4 cars. This car has the best fuel efficiency, so best believe I'm already gonna start saving more money on gas. And that brings me to reason number 3, which is gonna be maintenance. This car has the most cheapest parts out there, bro. Maintenance is so easy to do on this car, and if I were to take this to a dealership, it would cost me a little more, but because I'm gonna be doing all the maintenance myself, the parts, the equipment, the tools are so cheap compared to a Subi gasket, a Subi short throw shifter. For example, I got a short throw shifter for this car. It was $100. For the Subi, it was $290. I also got an exhaust for this car. It was $60 used at the junkyard. For the Subi, it was $1,000. So you guys are gonna be seeing this car for quite a bit on the channel. Now this car is gonna be the future daily, so I do want to make sure I get it up to date with all its maintenance and that we fix or upgrade anything that we want to do before we actually take it on the road and daily it. So throughout the next couple weeks, you guys are going to see me put these parts on. Now, these are just a few, but we have new brake rotors for the front and back, new brake pads. I went ahead and ordered a new air filter, a cabin filter. This right here is our short throw shifter. I also went ahead and got some tire pressure monitoring system. We have some transmission fluid, nothing but the best. We got a boot, a shift knob. This I'm very happy and excited to put on. Some decals. Obviously we gotta do an oil change, oil filter, and spark plugs. And then back there we have a closed shift RPM gauge. Again, a couple parts here, couple more are on the way, but that's what we're gonna be doing on this car. Again, I want to get this car up to maintenance, but I also want to modify it and make it mine a little along the way. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this Honda Series build. This is Javi from Javish Productions. Peace out, my friends.